Hi there, students. Fallout. Okay, the fallout is a noun. Let's see, the basic meaning of fallout is when there's a nuclear explosion, you get the mushroom cloud, and radioactive material is spread everywhere. And slowly this falls out of the sky to Earth. And this is fallout. So after the atom bomb exploded in Hiroshima, many other people died as a result of the fallout. But that itself is very technical and in just one situation. But we use fallout to talk about unpleasant results, unpleasant side effects or results of an action or an event. So, in the UK, there is a lack of lorry drivers at the moment. And I think this is one of the fallouts of Brexit. This is part of the fallout of Brexit. The political scandal caused a lot of fallout in the party. So, unpleasant effects. Yeah, fallout, something bad that happens. The results or the side effects of something. Okay, so extreme poverty in some sections of society has a lot of fallout. For example, it results in crime. That is part of the fallout of extreme poverty. People get desperate. Okay, so yeah, it's a subsequent effect of something, a consequence. As a student of mine put it the other day, collateral damage, yeah, and a side effect. So yes, there were riots, and the political fallout of the riots eventually brought down the government. Notice a fallout as well. Let's see, this comes from the phrasal verb to fall out. And if two people have an argument, they can fall out. Yeah, I fell out with my friend. So I've had a fallout with my friend, or a falling out. Dave and I fell out. We've had a fallout. Yeah, we've had a falling out. We're no longer speaking to each other. Okay, so the negative side effects or an undesirable consequence of something. So he didn't study at school and he got no qualifications. And the fallout from that was it was very difficult for him to get anything else but a manual job or to become an entrepreneur. So repercussions, blowback, yeah, something unpleasant that happens as a result. And yeah, as a result you have your nuclear explosion that destroys the target, but then the fallout injures and kills many other people. Yeah, so it's a negative side effect, an undesirable, unexpected consequence. Yeah, terrorist activities have a lot of psychological fallout on the victims. Okay, so other side effects, additional side effects, and that's the idea of fallout, repercussions, if you like. Okay, so fallout. What's the fallout from this? I think I'd probably give it, I think I'd give it a 5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere. It's maybe a little bit on the informal side, and I think you could just about use it in a very formal document, but I think I would probably prefer something like repercussions. So maybe not you don't use it in something very formal. Something very formal, yes, it would sound great in most of your exam essays, for example. Okay, so fallout, negative repercussions. Notice I would spell this as all one word. although you could use a hyphenated alternative. Anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Fallout.